guys, welcome back to another video. I am back again with another video. So ida mohan 3 hours ti jawo gonna plan karna se wala bro in law magi ham pai na se to tahan bi koi ma rai na se to tahan ki na pe rai jawo na tahan da di te saman kan la se livi mo jun de te livi homai ji shikari de dura tai ki thori na boise tahan da di se mana de jumo first ke tir khina sida remember humai na sa aya bishi koro maste This is going to be my first time experience visiting the tree house, so let's see. Highway पर diversion हुई थी क्या? अस्ता तो इधर नवीन बनाई था कमरा, नवीन spot ने. और ये कैसे आपको? तो ना, तो मालूम क्यों हो रहा? यदि बात दिखी था कहीं तो सिटी की माँ से कस कंधे पर पाल इधर तो मोहन पुंची हो ले उसे कारी भी पुंची हो ले मोहन इन रास्ता दे चले दिए क्या मिनिस निशना उठी हो ना थिंग रा ओह ही तो बाय से तो पुंची ऐसे दे इधर तो खोर भी बाय से तो लिवी surroundings भी पूरा bamboo रा surround green ऐसे white pala से तादिला न पुंचा के दे stairs वाला पुठी वाला के वो तो सीधे resting place पे पहले bamboo था वाला ना हाँ क्या ना वो As soon as we reach, these two little munchkin are busy searching for biscuits. So this is the beautiful view of Jumukitima. By the time we reach, some people were already there, making reels and clicking pictures. As you can hear the music played in my background. Two sisters outing na. Wah, emang papa boy nas. Wah, here nama Livi. Hi. Livi. Here na. So this is the bird eye view of Jumukitima. Utu rasta dikita ka itu do highway ase. This is how it looks from the top of the mountain. Aru itu right side te dikita ka itu do sidiki mala 4 lane ase. Chai ste gobi. We are leaving. We will come back again.
Mom, Dad, now come, yeah.
So guys, we are leaving now and the weather was too humid, so we left early. And here is Agong busy eating even in a moving car. The weather is too humid. I look messy and tired right now. Guys, see, this is our morning scene. Guys, we are waiting for samosa. Cheers.
50 lagi. 50 lagi.
Bati di.
Pati dito. Jauh lah na. Wah, garam. Aku lena jabi, mu paisa lena. Nikirin jabi de. De.
Rasta jabi de kinna girabo.
Thank you.
Ay. Cái chụp lại cho nó đi. Họ bộ về cái chụp lại thật cục.
Ê, chưa mai nó làm một cặp. Mai nó làm.
다가비 나도 이거네도.
맞아.
Anh đã nó có gì thay gì không phải nữa.
리미 바이바이. This is how we spend our day with the dollars. And also we have attended a fellowship but couldn't able to capture more clips of it. And now we are going back home after fellowship. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I will wind up the video from here. So see you all in my next vlog.